Hey guys, meet my new best friend. Isn't she beautiful? I've never seen a prettier robot vacuum, and this one mops.
This robot is so smart. I love how it knows when to mop and when to lift up when it's on carpeting so it doesn't get your carpet wet.
Cleaning resumed.
You can run it manually or control it all with an app.
The app is pretty easy to use. You can hit pause if you want. Resume the cleaning. You can schedule things, which is great. When you do go into schedule, you can choose a cleaning preference. So you can decide what your water level is going to be, what your suction power is going to be. If you go to the full, it says this will generate noise. This shows you a mapping. This lets me set my cleaning preference. So I like my floors to get pretty well done because we have little kids and a dog. I'm going to keep our suction there. High efficiency cleaning mode or exhaustive auto lift mop. That's really cool. That just means when it goes from the hardwood to my carpeting, it lifts up. We have carpet mode on and we are good.
It does a phenomenal job going around furniture and things on the floor and not getting stuck under furniture too. Plus, it's really quiet compared to other robot vacuums.
When you're ready to take everything out, you just pinch that. In our first couple cleanings, this is our dust tank. So it's definitely working. Wow, I can't believe it's cleaned up that much. We literally just had our house cleaned the other day. So it shows how well this is working. And I like that I could do that with one hand. Okay, emptied. I'm sure you noticed we have a dog. So this thing has been really good at picking up dog hair. This is the air filter, which you can clean. So I like that that can come out and you can see, look what it's picking up. That's just in one day. This is where the water fills in.
The mopping default was a pretty light mopping, so I did turn it up to a higher level, which worked way better for us. I tested it on our stairs and it did a good job of going to the edge and realizing that is the edge, so it didn't fall off. But once it got there, it ended up getting stuck. So I probably wouldn't recommend using it on stairs. What's great is you can use it for your whole house and it has 180 minutes of runtime. With more than 30 sensors, it keeps a constant distance of 10 millimeters from any object, which is great because it doesn't run into your furniture or your walls.
And if you want it to be done, just hit go charging. And it's gonna find its way back to the charger.
It is so smart.